Hey, are you one of the tens of millions of Americans with credit issues? Credit issues such as late payments, charge-offs, or even just a low credit score that you would like to raise? Then this video is for you. Do you want to raise your score by 50, 100, or even 200 points with an effective and affordable credit program? Don't worry, we got you. Individuals with low credit scores get charged more interest. They get denied for housing, for cars, and for loans, both personal and business loans. People with bad credit, they cannot get the best travel cards. Having bad credit can even cause mental and physical anxiety. Your living conditions are inadequate and most times can cause relationship stress from a lack of financial stability. But for as little as $49.95 a month, we got you. We can even help you to raise up your credit score so you can afford, you can get that home that you always wanted. My name is Herman Mariner III. I am an award-winning SBA coach, entrepreneur, and author. Press the link, join our team. I'm looking forward to helping you to improve your credit scores.